Hey there, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. Today is Friday, September 27th. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and here's your morning rundown on the stock market action from yesterday. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. They're your go-to provider for personalized investment solutions and mutual funds. For more details, visit amf-capital.de. All right, let's kick this off with some exciting news. Stocks had a nice jump Thursday. The Standard & Poor's 500 closed at a record high, climbing about 40 basis points, while the Dow was up 62 basis points. And over on the Nasdaq, we saw a 0.6% rise, thanks to a big boost in chip stocks, with Micron leading the charge after reporting some solid earnings. Now, a couple of things drove this market rally. First off, we got a positive surprise from the latest U.S. economic data. The final update on second quarter GDP growth came in stronger than expected, which had Wall Street smiling. Plus, weekly jobless claims fell to their lowest level in 4 months, adding more fuel to the optimism. On the global front, China made some big headlines as well. Its top leaders are pulling out all the stops to revive their slowing economy, with promises to ramp up fiscal spending, tackle the property crisis, and support the stock market. All that good news sent Chinese stocks soaring, with the CSI 300 index set to have its best week in 10 years. Looking ahead, everyone's eyes are on today's big event, the reading on the Personal Consumption Expenditures, PCE index. That's the inflation number the Fed likes to watch closely, so it'll be interesting to see how that plays out and what it means for future rate decisions. And, in individual stock news, Supermicro Computer had a rough day, dropping 12% after a report came out that the Department of Justice is looking into them following a short seller report from last month. Not great news for them, obviously. All right, that's a wrap for Capital Markets Quickie this morning. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with the latest updates to keep you in the loop. Catch you then.